Guys, let's eat vegetarian pizza, and this one is for my husband. Is sangria, right? And we have this one for complimentary for the food. And this is the pizza vegetarian too. Now you're gonna take me a video because I'm gonna show this one. Look at this kind of pizza.
So, what am I supposed to do now? Is it running? Is it running, Janelle?
Running.
Are you sure? Oh, yeah.
Delicious. Yummy. From Heritage.
Uh-oh. Let's go. Disgusting.
I eat with my hand. I like it.
Let's stop it now.
Okay. No, just show my drinks.
I did show you.
I will drink like this. Without the straw. Food of my husband is fish and chips from Heritage. O, ayan, nakain ko na yung pizza ko. Kalahati na, ang sarap. Tapos meron pa kaming probe. And we have this one. And this sangria. Kain tayo mga kabagang. Salamat, Lord. Nakakain na naman ang buong tiyan na masarap.
Let's see.
Salamat po, Panginoon. Ang sarap po ng kinain ko.